Number 4. The brown noise. A hypothetical frequency so low, it makes you involuntarily lose bowel control.
Whoa, oh my God! Oh, I crapped my pants!
Of course Cartman was interested. He becomes obsessed in one episode, and even discovered that it is, according to him,
92 cents below the lowest octave of E flat.
But when Cartman tries to employ this sonic weapon on a rival school by altering the sheet music, he just writes in a regular E-flat. Also, it's an E-flat for the treble clef, not the bass, making the note he wrote just a tone and a half above the very regular middle C.